They're there.
Nails, hair, hips, heels, ass, fat, lips, real, purse, full, big bills, bitch, I'm a big deal.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I know, it came out a minute ago, but I keep on seeing reviews on it and I keep on seeing people trying out the foundation, so curiosity killed my pockets. So I have a box right here full of Huda Beauty stuff, so I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I bought from their website, and then we're gonna kind of test it out. All right guys, so everything came in a box in this bag right here. Also a Ziploc bag, how convenient. So I got quite a few items. The first thing that I have here is I got the Huda Beauty Extra Hold Resting Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray Ultra Matte Finish. Setting spray. Oh gosh. Yeah guys, so this is the setting spray that I got right here. It's supposed to be for a matte finish and it's supposed to be for extra hold. I always use the Morphe setting spray, but I figured it might be a good idea to kind of switch it up and try something new. The next thing that I have here is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte Full Coverage Liquid Foundation. I got it in the color Chocolate Mousse. Again, I'm not really sure if this is my color. I'm hoping it is, because you know you can't swatch anything. I should have went to Sephora. I actually should have went to Sephora to swatch it. I think I did, but I can't remember. I ordered this like maybe like a month or so ago, so it's been sitting here for a minute, guys. So that's the next thing that I got here. Next, I got the 3D highlighter palette here, and it has Huda's picture on it right here, and I think it's like a quad if I'm not mistaken. So here are all the colors right here that come with this little highlighter quad. So I thought the colors were really pretty, very complimentary towards darker skin tone, so I definitely wanted to try that out. The next thing that I got here is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. I really wanted to try this. I got it in the color Kafana. So it's supposed to be super yellow. I personally like a yellow under eye. I don't know. Y'all do what you gotta do to your face. I mean, do what you do. Next I got the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Cream Bronzer. Now, I truly don't know why I got this, because I do not cream contour. Why did I get this? Oh, TikTok made me get it because of all of the people that contour first with the cream bronzer and then, like, you know, put on foundation on top of it. So I wanted to potentially try that with this foundation. Like, damn you, TikTok. Next I got the primer, the Water Jelly Hydrating Primer. I love primers, and I like a jelly moisturizer. I like a jelly almost anything, so I decided to pick this up as well. And then I got a concealer, the Overachiever concealer, and I got it in the color Granola. It was really hard for me to pick a concealer just looking at their site. I really wasn't sure what color was going to work with me, so I picked this one up. And then I got the Micro Shade Brow Pencil. I didn't hear a lot of good reviews about this because I hear that the pencil breaks off super easy. So I don't know. We'll see about this one, but I do like it because it has like a super skinny pencil tip. So it makes it easier to draw hair-like strokes. So I got this one too. Not that I really need a lot of eyebrow because I have eyebrow, but you know how that goes. You know, you're always doing shit that you don't even need to be doing to your face. I'm going to be doing a full face of Huda Beauty, so if you guys are interested, stay tuned. Also, I do want to say hi to all my new subscribers. I actually have quite a few new people here, so what's up? I am so excited. I think I have, what, today is 927? Is it 927? I think it's 927. So thank you guys so much for watching my video, for subscribing, for supporting. I really appreciate it. We are growing. Like, come on now, somebody call somebody. All right guys, so without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, I'm just gonna start off by clipping the hair. Y'all like the hair? We trying a little something different, you know what I'm saying? Like, we just took the weave out, so you know how that go. I didn't know what the hell to do with my hair after I took that weave up. But it had to go. The hair was matting under it. It was matting, guys. Oh, Lord, I can't even show you. It's so embarrassing. All right, so I'm going to apply everything. You guys are going to watch me apply everything. And, yeah, I don't think this is going to be a talk through or anything like that. All right. The hair's cute.
Together, things are about to get ugly.
Hey, Comer.
I'm not gonna hold you. You look very beautiful with your hair natural. Like, it's kind of crazy. All you bitches got curly hair. You got curly hair. Look at my curls.
They're there.
Oh, when did you find out you were Spanish? Every time I catch these curls, it just goes to show I have serious curl in me.
Manishka's curls are way better than mine, though. Way better. Oh my gosh, she has white people hair.
We know. We know that. Manishka's Hispanic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Manishka's for sure Spanish.
Yeah.
Taking pictures for the Instagram. When it's really real, ain't gotta do the most. I ain't gotta post if you know, you know. I ain't gotta brag for the world to see. All that I'm concerned with is you and me. You ain't never gotta be paranoid. If I take a picture, it's a Polaroid. Polaroid, Polaroid. If I take a picture, it's a Polaroid. Polaroid, Polaroid. If I take a picture, it's a Polaroid. Maybe cause your body is a work of art. Maybe cause I really like your body parts. You ain't never gotta be paranoid. If I take a picture, it's a Polaroid. I just wanna see you when you're not around. Cause the kind of photo photo that you don't take down. I just wanna have you on my wall in my room. Look at you and think about your sweet perfume. Put you in the crack of the mirror, in between the wood and the glass. Looking at myself in the mirror. Baby, you'll be looking right back. I ain't gotta tell nobody. I took these for myself, no cap. I think you better ask somebody. I would never do you like that. I'm not a groupie fan. Always taking pictures for my Instagram. When it's really real, ain't gotta do the most. I ain't gotta post if you know, you know. I ain't gotta brag for the world to see. All that I'm concerned with is you and me. You ain't never gotta be paranoid. If I take a picture, it's a Polaroid. Polaroid, Polaroid. If I take a picture, it's a Polaroid. Polaroid, Polaroid. If I take a picture, it's a Polaroid. Maybe cause your body is a work of art. Maybe cause I really like your body parts. You ain't never gotta be paranoid. If I take a picture, it's a Polaroid. Ooh, stay right there, don't move. Baby, you make me wanna capture this moment. This is our little photo shoot. Strike a pose like a model.
All right, guys, so this is the finished look. All in all, I did really love the foundation itself. The concealer, it wasn't really my thing, to be honest with you. But the foundation, it's a hit. And I can already tell by my application that I could probably pair it with almost all the concealers that I love to use. I'm probably gonna pair this foundation with the Tarte concealer because it's like the same kind of consistency in like match, in my opinion. On the eyes, I used the Huda Beauty's Pastels palette, and this is in the lilac one. I had it here on my desk, so I decided to just use it. I decided to just use it for the purpose of it being a Huda video, so yeah. But guys, this is the look. What do you think? The highlight is highlighting, like, and this is in natural daylight. I have some soft boxes here, but they're not really doing anything. It's on the lowest setting, but yeah, it's natural light. I'm by the window. Hey, window. Let me know what you guys think down below. Oh, my face is doing what it needed to. And the hair, oh, the hair is an adjustment for me. I'm trying to embrace my natural hair more. It's definitely hard when you always wear wigs and weaves and all that other stuff, but girl, I'm trying. What y'all think? All right, guys, so that's all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. You know, we growing. Like, y'all see the girl? Watch the last video and see how many subscribers I had. In this video, we had 927. Y'all doing what you need to do because y'all feel me. All right, guys, so I will see you in another one very soon. Bye.